Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Today we are starting with natural gas. Natural gas, we ran up. We had this wedge. I said it's bearish and we will most likely fall down. That's what we did. We met my price target and right now we fell below in the previous week. So we fell below the 50 EMA on the weekly. Came down to the, we fell below the 20 EMA and came down to the 50 EMA. And of course, we spent some time here. And right now, the question is, why are we not running up? It's because the 20 EMA is here on the weekly. This is one of the reasons. And we will have to see where this weekly candle closes. Can we stay above? Then it's bullish side. Can we, if we close below this level? So right now it's around 6.56 below this level. Then that is telling me that we are not there yet. We haven't broken to the upside. If we do, then that's a bullish sign. If we don't, then probably we will go down. But I also have to have a look at the daily chart here. And let's see. On the daily chart, it can be seen that, as you can see, we ran up to the 50 EMA, touched it, and came below. Came down again, and so we are spending time here between the 20 and 50 day EMA. We had a death cross. I said because of this death cross we will go down, and that's what we did. It's still bearish, so if we have this daily candle closing like that, this could suggest that in the following days we might continue the downtrend. We will fall to the downside. Let's go over to oil and have a quick look at oil, WTI oil. Now let's see what's happening there. So this is oil, and this is the daily chart on oil. And we came down all the way down and even below this level, below this around 95 level, but we came back above. That's a very long candlestick. We developed an M pattern on the weekly. I shared about this in my previous video, and I also shared if we can break down below this level, below this 95-ish level, then most likely we will go down to $75 level. But we are not there yet, so this level is holding. We will see. This looks even a bullish, can be a bullish turnaround right now, and we can run up to, for example, the 20 EMA, 20-day EMA of 104 point something, 0.5 or so. But this is a death cross on the daily chart. Weekly is still bullish, so yeah, it can happen that we run up and then come back down again. Let's go over to some indices and have a quick look at the indices. Nasdaq. Let's start with Nasdaq. This is the daily chart on Nasdaq, and on the weekly I already shared in my previous videos about this bullish wedge. We broke to the upside. We developed what could have been a W pattern, but we could not break above the neckline, so I can delete this price target. It is of course relevant only if we break above the neckline. And now we have this M pattern. This is an M pattern, and I can have a price target as soon as we break down 11,500 or 11,400. Once your daily close below that, then I will measure the price target because it can be measured. But right now we ran up back to the 20-day EMA. It's of course resistance for us, so no surprise we stop there. So it seems that Nasdaq doesn't want to fall a lot and doesn't want to run up, so we are spending time in this area right now. Let's go over to Germany and let's have a quick look at the German index and see what's happening there. This is the daily chart on the German index, And yeah, we are below the 20-day EMA. And let me have a quick look at the weekly chart on the German index. So this is the weekly chart. We developed an M pattern. I measured the price target. We hit my price target. Of course, came even below the price target. And right now, I do not actually see anything happening here. I don't know what's going to happen. Of course, when I see a pattern, I know what might happen in the future, just like this M pattern was telling me that we are going down to this area, and I don't see anything. If we are not falling further down, then we might run up to the 20 weekly EMA 13,795. A quick look at the gold. This is the weekly chart on gold. Gold has fallen a lot, and we developed an M pattern here. The price target could I was able to measure the price target, and the price target got hit. We even came below the price target. So I think 1688 is support. Are we going to run down to that area? I'm not sure. I'm watching gold and silver and looking for a possible reversal pattern or any sign for reversal. Let's have a look at the daily chart and see. There's nothing here yet, nothing at all. So I don't know what's going to happen. We will see. I'm not even going over to. Let's have a quick look at silver. Maybe silver has a message. And here we are. Silver has fallen a lot. And this is the daily chart on silver. And yeah, nothing at all. We will see what happens with silver in the future. Of course, this was sort of bearish M pattern, suggesting that we might fall down, which was what we did. So I'm waiting to see any signs. That's all for now. See you next time.